give you a little primer on companion specs and collaborations a little bit and why you do that instead of just generating models, right? So everybody can build a model. It's easy to build a model for your system. But why would you want a companion spec? You have two vendors that talk to the same device. They each generate a model. The model has different names for things, different ways to look at things. So when you're a systems integrator or a client, you have to understand the fact that they're different names, different things. So you have more engineering, more integration work. If you have a companion spec that defines what the model's name should be, it becomes really easy for clients and for systems integrators to integrate the system together. So it's just a quick primer on why you want to do these collaborations, because it gives a uniform way of looking at the data. The data's the same from the different models. It's just now I have a standard way of describing that data. So let's talk a little bit more about what sorts of models and what sort of things we do. We have a lot of lower level collaborations, so ones with field bus devices or for lower level systems. They're technical, little low-level devices. We also have a number of collaborations where we call vertical collaborations. They're industry-specific models that we build. So Ralph's going to talk about MDIS, which is one of our vertical markets. So it's a platform. It's for specific industries. PACML is a packaging standard. There's other ones, Fremty Connect, which is a machining. It's a different one. So we have a whole lot of vertical market ones. And then we also have a number of collaborations that are for higher level information. So when you send things up to the cloud. So asset models from ISA 95 or a lifecycle model from AMOSA. So we look at the range of collaborations and the range of information models throughout the whole system. So with that, I'm going to pass on